Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can only allow specific website to open on your Safari browser. So in order to do that, you need to go to your settings, and from settings you need to go to screen times, and from here you need to go to restrictions, content and privacy restrictions, and from here you need to select content restriction. And here as you can see web contents, and you need to tap once. As you can see, my Safari browser is currently unrestricted. It means I can open any browser I want. So I want to allow only specific website. So for that, what should I do? Just I need to tap here once. I need to scroll down, and as you can see web add website. You need to go to here, and let's type something, and type the URL of Facebook and enter. So as you can see Facebook is added on the allowed website. So now only Facebook will open, and along with this default website on Safari browser. So yeah, that's how you do it. If this video helpful, then please click the like button and subscribe.